I got a signal to go along that was this candle right here. And while I was filming this, my computer died. So I'm going to re-record this part of it. Now I got the signal. This was an equilibrium long trade and my stop loss was placed right underneath the channel here. And my take profit is up at this upper channel. Now it's better than 1-to-1, which is perfect. Now, as this trade progresses, I'm going to be able to manage my stop loss, reducing the risk for every candle that goes in my favor. So I'm going to do that. But for now, I'm going to put the video on pause. And when I get an opportunity to manage this trade, I will be back. This trade is coming along nice, and I'm going to move my stop. So I've reduced the risk more than half, and we are marching nice and strong towards our take profit. Now we are at an element or an area that can provide a little bit of resistance, and that's okay. We understand that that's the case. The indicator below tells me that we are looking to see that the price is going to get all the way to the top here, to the top channel. So I have no fear. So I'm going to put the video back on pause, and hopefully this next candle or the next candle after that will get to our take profit and we'll record that. That is the hope here. Sometimes though, it just smashes through these take profit levels. But either way, I'm going to come back and we will continue with this trade. Another opportunity to move my stop, this time to just under break even. So the risk has been reduced substantially. So a loss here is not even really going to amount to much at all. A couple pips of the next win will recoup any loss that I potentially get here. Again, I'll put the video back on pause and I will be back shortly. A little wobble in the price, but that is okay. Our stop loss was well underneath. Now that we've moved back up a little bit, I get to move my stop loss into profit. So I'm going to lock in a little bit here. And no matter what happens at this point, I cannot lose any money. I'm going to make money either way. I'm going to make money if we hit our take profit. I'm going to make money if we hit our stop loss. This is an awesome trade. It's working out really well. And at this point, I cannot lose any money. I'm in what's called a free trade. Just right now, we were taken out in profit. The US dollar Japanese yen trade just like 3 seconds ago nailed our take profit. This was a nice trade. And we did get a little bit of a pullback and a wobble in here, but our stop loss was safe. So we didn't risk getting stopped out prematurely. We did get our take profit hit. This was a nice trade. Let's take a really quick look and see what we did on this one. So on this one, just isolate that a bit here. We've got the US dollar Japanese yen. That's this trade here. This was an equilibrium long trade and it kind of wiggled its way, but it did go our way and it didn't really go against us at any point. It did have its wobble and that's normal. The market does kind of go back and forth a little bit. We did wobble back and forth. Stop loss was never in any danger. And on this one, we made $1,000. We made $1,032.16. And that was over the course of just over an hour. We have several candles here. And that's good for an hour's worth of work. So $1,000 equilibrium long trade. This is an area where we know the market is likely going to take off. And we really did take advantage of this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another live trade video.